If every decision is routing through you, you are not just overloaded. You are the system. Your team freezes the moment that your calendar does. This is gaining the technology leadership edge. And I'm Mike Moon. I'm going to help you remove yourself as the bottleneck without losing control. I'm going to show you how to map decision domains so that decisions happen with or without you in the room. That's a very important thing. GTLE systems for senior tech leaders who are tired of being the exception handler. There's not going to be any mindset talk here today. We're going to name your decision domains, assign the rights, and tighten your escalation paths. So let's start with the symptoms. You've all seen them. I think you've all seen all of them. Decisions. They boomerang back to you. Architecture calls, priority trade-offs, hiring sign-offs, even incident escalation. You send them out, they come right back. Why? Your lead, they bring you options, but what they're really bringing is a request for you to give them a verdict. And that's exactly what you're trying to avoid. You've got a quick question culture. Slack pings that aren't quick. Walk-bys that turn into 30-minute sessions. Now, nobody's being lazy. They've learned from you that the fastest path to a decision, and teams stall, not because they're incapable, but because the system trained them to wait. See, waiting is safe. Moving without your blessing carries risk. So what do? Naturally, they wait. But you see, there's something else going on here. Here's what's actually happening. Your decision domains are undefined, sorry. And worse, maybe they're overlapped. Nobody understands where their authority ends. So what do? Lucky you. They default to the top. Now, you're the top. You're the leader. So your decision rights are implicit. They live in history and politics. There is no need to figure that out. So last time they tried to make a decision, it blew up. So now, nobody's deciding. That's not a system. That's scar tissue. Cost associated with that, of course. So what is the cost? The cost is that you become the limit. Releasable. Every single decision that is made suddenly needs time from you. That means your calendar has a hard cap. There's only so much time you have. So what's the result of that? The organization slows down. You become that sponge for escalation. Disagreement doesn't get resolved between the parties, doesn't get resolved where the work is done. It gets escalated straight to you at the top. And there's some long-term damage here. What? Your team learns helplessness. Because if it matters, they just ask the CTO. They stop developing judgment. They stop owning outcomes. Because if your calendar is the routing layer, the organization is going to be optimized to hit your inbox.